You've probably heard of Decentraland, you might have heard of Sandbox, but have you heard of Blocktopia? Well, this Polygon-matic metaverse ecosystem looks to make a really big wave in 2022. And if you have heard about Blocktopia, maybe you noticed the dump today that occurred. In this video, we're going to be discussing all of these things as well as a price prediction. But before we get into all that, if you could take a second to throw a like on the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, go join our Discord or our Crypto Accelerator program, that'll all be greatly appreciated. So Blocktopia is currently ranked 259th on CoinMarketCap, sitting at 2 cents per token. Has a market cap currently of 215 million and a max supply of 200 billion tokens, and currently 4% of those are currently in circulation. Now right off the bat in the tags, you can see Metaverse, Polka Foundry, Red Kite. You have Bullperks Launchpad, the Animoca Brands portfolio, and Oxbow. These are going to be a lot of VC money as well as the Metaverse project that they're involved in. So Blocktopia is a decentralized metaverse that is built and backed by the Polygon-matic network. It provides an unprecedented VR experience for the crypto community, and it brings users together in an all-in-one immersive and engaging environment. It's a skyscraper that's made up of 21 levels to pay recognition to 21 million Bitcoin. Token holders will be known as Blocktopians, and it will act as a central hub and welcome all levels of crypto experience. For the first time ever, users will have access to crypto information and immersive content all in one place. Blocktopians are going to be able to earn revenue through real estate ownership, advertising revenue, playing games, building networks, and much more. And by using the world's most advanced real-time 3D creation engine, Blocktopia will leverage this technology to create stunning visualizations and user experience. Now, according to Zion Market Research, global augmented and virtual reality market was valued at around 26 billion in 2018 and is expected to reach 814 billion by 2025. That might put a little more perspective as to why companies like Facebook changed their name to Meta. Metaverse itself is the bridge between a physical and digital world. There'll be certain pieces that will hold digital value, for example, digital art, real estate, or advertising spaces. Here's an example of one of the advertisements going through Blocktopia. So anyone that uses KuCoin, you can see some of those KuCoin banners. You'd be able to get your own advertising and things like that within the metaverse, which is really awesome. Basically, they're trying to build their own ecosystem and a self-sufficient ecosystem where you'd be able to pay rent and buy items and buy cars and so on and so forth. Now, even within Blocktopia, you have Blockpad, which is going to be the ultimate launchpad for Blocktopians. Anything that's built within the Blocktopia ecosystem is going to be thrown on the launchpad here, so you can take advantage of it really early. Keep in mind, this is all on the Polygon-matic network, so the gas fees are going to be insanely low in comparison to anything Ethereum based. Now within Blocktopia, you also have staking rewards with upwards of 60% APY, as you can see. Now we also have NFT pricing maps. This is going to be part of the real estate and the land sale portal that's going to be coming soon. So levels 1, so this is basically going to be the walkthrough and how the levels are going to be laid out all the way to level 21. And taking a quick dive into this light paper, I would highly suggest going through and researching this yourself because none of this is financial advice. You always want to do your own diligence when trading. But as you can see from the skyscraper, they built an actual skyscraper. So they're showing the different zones. So you have a centralized exchange zone, you have a market analysis zone, you have a networking zone, you have your influencer zone with BitBoy, a news zone, and then a gaming zone. And even built on this tower, you can see all the different ads and things that are going on within the skyscraper. And once you sign up with Blocktopia and set up your wallet, you'll be able to create your own personalized avatar. That avatar will get added to your passport, and then you can build and customize your avatar as you play. If you're looking to buy Block or some of this real estate, it is available on OpenSea at the moment or nonfungible.com. Because it is secondary sales, you could find it on some of the other opportunities and some of the other marketplaces. And the chart is pretty similar, pretty consistent to what we've seen throughout the rest of the crypto market. We had a nice little push down, and today we had a relatively strong sell-off, and people are calling this a dump. Now, the reason behind this dump was actually because of the token release, and as we talk about a lot on our Discord group, whenever these releases happen, it's a really easy way for early people, especially the people that got in, let's say, at a launchpad level, will start to sell off and take their profit because they're guaranteed profits. So this was just a sell-off that was triggered, and then on top of the market going down, it caused it to be a dump. But I wouldn't be worried about it by any means. This is just everyday normal part of crypto world. So with that in mind, and knowing that the token release and the alpha are going to be coming soon in February, we don't know the exact date of the alpha, but we do know that it's coming within February. So within the next couple of weeks, that's going to be big, and that could be a really nice catalyst for Blocktopia, especially if the market continues to go in an uptrend. So with that in mind, we're looking at a really solid DCA buying opportunity. Again, this is not financial advice. If this want to come down a little bit more, we could potentially see a test into the 1 cent range, the 0.019 or 0.018 range. But from what we see, this double bottom could hold really well around the 2 cent range. And if we hold this double bottom around the 0.24 cent range, we could start to get a nice impulse move back up to retest all-time high, which is going to be around, at the candle wicks, we're looking at around 17, and at the candle bodies, we're looking at around 13. If Blocktopia did want to move up from here and start to retest the all-time high, we could see anywhere from a 6 to a 10x move if it wanted to push up to the 2 cent range, considering the body of the candles did start to close at around 14 cents. Now, if Blocktopia did want to move from here and retest all-time highs, let's say if it wanted to do a 10x move, we're looking at 20 cents per token, which is going to be just a little bit north of these all-time high candle wicks. And at the candle bodies, we're looking at 14 cents. So you're looking at a 7x move just to retest the all-time high of these candles, which is fantastic. And if you do believe in this long term, you could see a lot more than a 7x potential return on this play. Now the MACD is trending up, which is a good thing to see. Your stochastic and your RSI was relatively beat to shit. Now if we can hold this fast stochastic on top of the RSI and hopefully push back up to the overbought, we might be able to see this RSI start to push back up and retest the 50 range. If we can retest the 50 range to get back into bullish territory, that'd be very strong for Blocktopia, who has not been recovering. Similarly, like the rest of the market, we're a little behind on this one. So it could be a really great opportunity to DCA. And this is going to wrap up our video on Blocktopia. If you didn't get a chance to already, make sure to throw a like on this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, go join our Discord group and our Premium Accelerator program. Hopefully you're having a great day depending on wherever you're watching this in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.